a school bus for your critters? Hey.
Pretty neat. What else does Santa bring you?
Animals.
Animals, you're right. What's that purple thing there, Mimi?
That was a hippopotamus.
A hippopotamus, you're right.
It's my girl.
Uh-huh.
Stop. Did you see that you... Watch. That lever. Move it. Yeah, move your knee. There you go. See? It opens a door.
Mm-hmm.
You're about to go.
Merry Christmas, Mimi.
Beep. Oh, hippopotamus happy.
Mm-hmm.
Look. We can open this. Wow, thank you. It's in it.
Mm-hmm.
The animals.
Animals, you can put them in the school bus. Mm-hmm.
Choo choo. Wait for me. Santa Claus had a bus with me. Alright, sweets, are you gonna open up any of the presents?
Yeah, why don't you open up your... There you go. Yeah, open it up, baby.
What is it?
What do you think it is?
Open it, open it. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Is Santa Claus is gonna
What is it, baby?
Wow. What is it? A cupcake! It's Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's Play-Doh cupcakes, baby.
You can make cupcakes with Play-Doh. Tiger. Open up another present? Yes. What is it? I don't know. Are you shaking it? It's green. Thank you, guys. I got the present. It's from Santa Claus.
Yeah, say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
You want some help?
No.
All right.
Where to start?
I would start right there. Santa's a good rapper. What is it, baby? What did Santa bring you? What is it?
A puzzle!
Puzzles!
What kind of puzzle? Frozen puzzles!
Woo!
Oh my goodness, you're gonna be a puzzle creating.
Wow. I can't wait to open those up, Mimi.
Wow. What else? What else? What else?
What else does Santa bring you? Pretty neat, Mimi. It's a game. It's a letter game. The ABC letter game, baby. Uh-huh. All these. Uh-huh. Wow.
Anybody?
Merry Christmas, Mimi. Merry Christmas.
Mama! Mama!
What?
I got super readers.
Wow.
It's my favorite.
That's so cool. I think Santa Claus also got you a stocking.
Wait.
It's up here.
It's up there, baby.
I see something sticking out your stocking. Who's that?
A penguin.
No.
Go look, Mimi. Go look.
Oh. Ola!
It's Ola!
See, look.
Open it up. Open it up.
Ola!
There's Ola.
Oh, a brand new friend. What else is in there, Mimi?
I feel
What is it?
it's a
Morgan.
it's a
What is it?
new jammies.
New underwear.
Underwear. What's on them? What is it?
Roses.
Frozen. That's right.
Does Ola?
Maybe he say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
There's one more thing
Where?
in the stocking. I
Soft?
think.
Yeah, it's just a little thing.
It's big.
Hey.
What is that?
M&M.
M&S. That's right. Merry Christmas, Mimi.